Watch. Hear me, man. Of the world, it's not a plan. You just watch what go on, you know. Carefully, you know, nation people. A franchise. The choosing one. The 10-star general. You don't know it go already. When I come for represent a full effecting man. You don't know it go. When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing then. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? A Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Hey, watch this. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. Hear me no nation people. Right now, I see the street of YouTube get festive. Me no know. Right now, I just be a war, I see, I promote. Me no know if for the season or at the time. Me no know, but here what I want right about now. We see the thing will blaze off between Tentic and Popcaan Diss. But hear me now. Right now, me never sense no type of violation. We're going over the unruly treat. You see me? Over this back to school treat where the unruly boss them keep over St. Thomas. Me never really sense no violation because the people them say definitely you don't know a back to school treat. So I don't know a youth program, a youth thing. So they don't know no bad word, no misbehave, no indecent shit can't go on there. So you see me? We have to be professional now because of kids thing. So me never really sense no violation there, sir, because here we go on. One night time, Popcaan a sing Tentic song and Tentic a sing Popcaan song. Everything did cute and crisp and nobody never this until the bad word got chippy and them not take with the mic and no aggressive style. It was a normal flair thing where it looked like nothing at all ever happened. But guess what? The vloggers them on YouTube start promote that shit. And from the people them start promote and I say, well then, yes, Popcaan Diss Tentic and them shit there. Me no know if the hype Tentic a go off for I'm just a ride with the flow. Why him even chip in and act like so well then? Him a co-sign what the vlogger them a deal with. You see what I say? Him was the man, you know. We should have forward out, you know. And I say, well then, yo, I know nothing like that go on, you know. I choose this and that go on, you know. But instead, him a ride the wave. Say, leave Popcaan now. For not do nothing more than forward out. And at this him back because you have to remember Tentic go to the melon man go buy a whole of melon and splash it out on the ground and claim say him use melon and kill boy. You see what I say? Well, Popcaan fire back shot. You see what I say? Instantly, because you know them you then I go play. You see what I say? The man I say right now, the man who have rotten teeth can't violate him. You see what I say? So I think him a violate big time, full time. You see what I say? And that me I try to show you. Right now, as me they tell Tentic from in the beginning, if you feel violated over where go on, over the school treat, drop big song in a Popcaan ears. Yeah. Drop big bad song in a Popcaan ears. And it left up to him now if he want answer or not. And the people them will say, yo, you hear what? Tentic is a man when I play him, I defend him brand. But when you go run out and not do the melon thing, remember it's a girl forward on the internet with that. And for see you as a man where I run behind a girl. And it's not pussy meat I run behind her for. I run behind her and I follow her for violate another man. Me don't ever rate that. You see what I say? But here what I say differently. Right now, if we not go do that thing there, a lyrical thing we deal with, we not deal with physical thing. So if a guy think one side about no physical activity in a them type of shit, then better know say no. Says a no for we that. And if that happen, we are going to sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment. And that another no joke thing. Is what I say. Because when you're an artist, my brother, is what I say, a lyrical confusion artist supposed to have. Artists not deal with physical shit. You know, no boxer, no wrestler, bomber, hustler. Nobody now pay you for watch no physical activity. Yes, what I say. But if a lyrical activity, wow, everybody up feet, no gimmicks thing, no dead about it. After that, no, you know, for sure you say, me don't know if sometimes the things them rise with like a season or me don't know if one thing rise up and then be people just want to follow on them shit and things just explode. Because out of the blues, right now, John, me don't know people, but me I say to Malie Donn, yo, what I obtain there Malie Donn, I just stop more and ask Malie Donn, you know, what I obtain there, my brother. Dog, let me tell you something, brother. Yo, when I can't go on and I violate big artists like that, my brother, for no reason at all. Me not say, you know, as a young artist, you take violation from big artists, but me I ask you, what I obtain there, my brother? Why you run go and force up the man name in a this song and a this the man, my brother? You, Malie Donn, you just get your highlight where you're supposed to get. You're supposed to make use of it, you know, my brother. And I find more hit song, you know, because when you talk about a man like I obtain, you know, you talk about years and years what a hits you talk about, you know. I don't know, one or two and a buck up each way you talk about I obtain, you know, my brother. Years and years and years what a lock in the globe in a youth. You see what I say? So I don't know where this all of this, so you had this I obtain in a song. No, I obtain forward out and I make the people them know say no man will hold on and take can't disrespect him. Furthermore, I obtain and say you're not ready for him type of badness. So I don't know physical badness him a deal with. But him say anywhere at all him see you over anywhere in the world, you know. Him a go bust your head on the stage, you know, my brother. Cause him also go and say you can't even perform, you know. So now, you know, it cause like you are I obtain and go in a vibes right now, you know. As a young artist, you know. He said anywhere at all him see you, you know. On stage, you know, him a bust your head, you know, Malie Donn. There's what I deal with. And we know. Me nah say, you can't kill I obtain lyrically, you know, my brother. That's not what me I say, you know. Me just not think you have that experience there, or you have that catalog there, or you even have that type of skill range there, where for demolish or I obtain, my brother. Because a big gun you ask, my brother. I don't know, no joke thing. A big gun you play with, my brother. So when big gun are back, you have to go know what go on, my brother. You have to go know. You have to go, I don't know if you can withstand it. When big gun walk up, I don't know if you can withstand it. Normally when big gun walk up, I drop people, drop my brother. You see what I say? So them thing that we are talking about, we don't know if at all the local friction between Popcaan and where the local artists. I don't know. I don't see how you are obtaining that shit. Normally I obtain is a man when I really fool on people like that, my brother. Them type of way. I hope they not really deal with that type of thing, them, my brother. So, if you see you violate him and see him all forward out and him all disrespect you like that, that means you have to know, sir, you cause that upon yourself right now. And me I go watch what I go on and I hope. You not pray, you know, on yourself, but you not pray no physical activity, you know. Because that's a no-no for we about here, you know. So to make certain lyrical who not keep it, you know. You see what I say? The general, the 10 star one I represent. What? General, 10 star. Oh.